Hey everyone, is your Gmail inbox overflowing with thousands of email? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to mass delete emails in Gmail quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, go to Gmail on Google and then log into your Gmail account. Then here at the top left of your inbox, click the check box and this will select all the emails on the first page. And once you tick the box, a message will appear at the top like select all conversations in inbox and click that link. Now, every single email in your inbox is selected, not just the first page. And click the trash bin icon to delete all the selected emails, and they'll move to the trash folder. Then here go to trash folder and click empty trash and now it's permanently delete them. And that's it. You've just learned how to mass delete emails in Gmail in just few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.